Welcome back. Starting with the breaking news that is coming in right now. Shiv Sena has summoned their goon Neta. 10 a.m. is the meeting of the party MPs as well, and he's been summoned to give his explanation. It will be a party meeting that we're given to understand, where Shiv Sena MP Ravindra Gaikwad has been called to explain his behavior at the Air India flight in the morning as well. Sena MP has confirmed to India Today that he will be going for this meeting, but there is no word of apology coming from him. In fact, he says that even if Air India has threatened to blacklist him, he has already got the ticket to fly 4 p.m. to Pune. So from Delhi, he'll be going to Pune. But also word coming in from the BJP that it's not only Shiv Sena who should act against him, it's for the party to act against him, but also the parliament should form an ethics committee and look into this matter urgently. Whether it will be done today once the parliament resumes, we'll have to wait and watch. But 10 a.m. is when Shiv Sena has summoned this goon Neta. Interestingly, it's not the first time that he has been caught on the wrong side of the law. He has at least 7 criminal cases against him. So we're talking about a 2-time MLA, an MP from Osmanabad who has 7 criminal cases registered against him. He's been booked for writing, criminal intimidation, physical assault as well. And what we saw yesterday on the Air India flight is just one example of how he's taken law for granted. August 2014, he had gone to Maharashtra Southern and force-fed a Muslim caterer for not serving food of his choice. Still no action against him. March 2017, we've got the video of this. We'll be playing it out in a bit as well. He scolded Osmanabad, the DSP, because his Shiv Sena supporters had not turned up at a polling booth in Zilla Parishad. It's interesting to see that how Ravindra Gaikwad has been given long rope by Sena. Yesterday we had only one reaction from Shiv Sena saying that we will look into the matter. Today at 10 a.m. about half an hour from now, and we are following the story very closely, he's been summoned. And here is the first reaction of Ravindra Gaikwad. He's spoken to India Today this morning, and it is shocking to see how a Neta elected by people and should be a servant of public is calling this officer whom he assaulted a chiller person.
रविंद्र गायकवाड़ जी, जो आपका झगड़ा हुआ था एयर इंडिया की फ्लाइट में स्टाफ के साथ, लोगों के साथ, उसका वीडियो सामने आया। उसमें ये कहा जा रहा है, ये आरोप आपके ऊपर लगा कि आपने झगड़ा किया और वो तमाम चीज़ें उसमें दिखाई दे रही हैं।
झगड़ा हुआ ये सही बात है, लेकिन मैं 10 बार समझाया, उसके बाद भी उन्होंने बोला उतार नीचे। एमपी कौन? मोदी को कंप्लेन करूंगा बोलने के बाद झगड़ा हुआ। एक कर्मचारी एयर इंडिया का मोदी बोलता है, ये गलत है ना। मेरा कंप्लेन मोदी जी से करना है तो प्रधानमंत्री जी से कंप्लेन करूंगा, ऐसा बोलना चाहिए था ना।
लेकिन
मोदी को कंप्लेन करता है, बोलने के बाद मारा मैं।
कोई रिग्रेट नहीं है मारने पे आपको?
काहे का 10 बार पैर करके बोला मैं उनको, ऐसा मन नहीं रहता भाई साहब, आप बहुत बोले थे, आपका बीपी बढ़ रहा है, आप बैठ के बात करो, आराम से आवाज़ कम करके बात करो, ऐसा बोल रहा है तो हो गया।
कोई माफ़ी मांगने का, रिग्रेट करने कोई सवाल नहीं है।
माफ़ी मांगने का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता, और इसके ऊपर जो वाइट देना है पार्टी डिसीजन लेगा, पार्टी बात करेगा आपसे। अनिल बाबू देसाई
जी। रविंद्र जी, एक चीज़ बताइए, जो वीडियो आया आपने देखा, वो वीडियो जिसमें तमाम चीज़ें झगड़ा होते हुए दिखाई दे?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखा।
ये कहा जा रहा है कि आपको ब्लैक लिस्ट करने की बात हो रही है, कि ब्लैक लिस्ट किया जाएगा एयर इंडिया से।
अरे ब्लैक लिस्ट क्या करेगा? आज तो एयर इंडिया से फ्लाइट से 4 बजे मैं पुणे जा रहा हूँ, मेरे पास टिकट है आज का क्लियर, और उसको तो मुझे ले जाना ही पड़ेगा आज, मैं तो उधर हंगामा करूँगा। और 4 का फ्लाइट का टिकट है मेरा, एयर इंडिया का ये है, दिल्ली पुणे, वो ब्लैक लिस्ट करा है, मेरा टिकट का क्या करेगा वो?
मामला भी दर्ज करवाया है उन्होंने आपके खिलाफ?
करो ना, दो ना, वो पार्टी देखिएगी हमारी।
स्पीकर के यहाँ भी आपका मामला पहुंचा है, आपने बोला है?
स्पीकर के पास गजपति और राजू जी कंसर्न मिनिस्टर है, उनके पास भी पहुंचा है। उसके ऊपर एक समिति तय की जाए, उसकी जांच हो एयर इंडिया की, जो कल गलत व्यवहार उन्होंने मेरे साथ किया उसकी जांच हो, मोदी जी को कौन से लफ्ज़ों में उन्होंने बात किया उसकी जांच हो, उसको पनिशमेंट दे।
सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्टर कहने की ऐसे व्यवहार की उम्मीद नहीं होती जिस ढंग से किया गया।
वो ठीक है ना, अलग बात है, लेकिन स्टार्ट से देखे तो वही करेक्ट है। आप मीडिया वाले पूछेंगे एक एमपी लॉ बनाता है, ये शोभा देता है क्या? बराबर है ना आपके हिसाब से? लेकिन उस टाइम पे जो जो हुआ वो हिसाब से मेरा करेक्ट है। और मेरा गलत होता तो अंदर स्टाफ था, 3 एयर होस्टेस थे, 1 एयर होस्ट था, 5-6 कर्मचारी क्लीनिंग के लिए आए थे। उनके ऑफिसर को मारा तो 2 मिनट में स्ट्राइक पे जाते थे ना, वो बंद करते थे ना। सुबह 10:30 बजे हुआ ये हादसा।
आपको लगता है मारना गलत है? आप बात कर सकते थे
10 बार 1 घंटा बात करते बेटा, मैं 4 ऑफिसर से बात किया। उसके बाद में बोला ए मोदी को बोलूंगा। मैं बोला ये ले मोदी, क्या गलत है इसमें? वो चिल्लर आदमी एमपी को कुछ भी बोलता है, सुनना, चिल्लर आदमी मोदी को बोलता है, कहो मोदी को कंप्लेन करूंगा। मोदी बोलने का तरीका है, इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी है वो, नरेंद्र जी, मोदी साहब के पास आपका कंप्लेन करूंगा, ऐसा बोलना नहीं, वो गलत नहीं।
शिवसेना ने जवाब मांगा है आपसे, उद्धव साहब ठाकरे ने, कि ये ठीक नहीं है ऐसे?
मुझसे उद्धव साहब का बात नहीं हुआ। अभी 10 बजे पार्टी मीटिंग है, इधर के हमारे संसद के जो पार्टी नेता है उनके पास मैं जा रहा हूँ। आगे जो भी तय करना है शिवसेना पक्ष प्रमुख उद्धव
कोई
साहब।
रिग्रेट, कोई माफी का सवाल नहीं? आप
अब बैठे कहीं की माफी, उन्होंने माफी मांगना चाहिए मेरी। जिसने दुर्व्यवहार मुझसे किया, मेरा इंसल्ट किया, उन्होंने, और वो भी सीएमडी उसका, एयर इंडिया का, और जिसके साथ झगड़ा हुआ वो दोनों आके माफी मांगे मुझे। मैं तो मीडिया में नहीं आया था, उन्होंने ही मैसेज भेजा। फिर मीडिया ने पूछा आपके ऊपर कंप्लेन है, ऐसा ऐसा मैसेज आया, सीट के लिए झगड़ा हुआ बोल के मैसेज आया। बोलते सीट का तो सवाल ही नहीं।
जो वीडियो में दिखाई दे रहा है, सब लोग आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उसमें बात कर रहे हैं वीडियो में जो है,
उससे कर रहे थे पहले रिक्वेस्ट। वो आए, उसको समझा रहे थे तीनों, सर जी आप बैठो, टेम्परेचर मत लो। मैं भी समझा रहा था उसको, टेम्परेचर है, बीपी मत बढ़ाओ, बैठो। सब सर का गलत नहीं है, वो सच बोल रहे हैं, हमारे पास कंप्लेन है, उसको समझा रहे थे, फिर भी सुन रहे। टोटल केस देखो ना तुम।
नहीं, ये कहा जा रहा है कि आप फ्लाइट लेट हुई, आपकी वजह से सब यात्रियों को सफर करना पड़ा।
मेरा फ्लाइट लेट नहीं हुआ, यात्रियों का सफर नहीं, मैं फ्लाइट से 1 घंटा उतरा नहीं।
तो आपकी वजह से डिले हुआ ना?
कहाँ डिले हुआ? दूसरा फ्लाइट लगाना ना, बस स्टैंड है वो, ये गाड़ी खराब होने के बाद दूसरा नहीं लगा था। एयर इंडिया के पास क्या दूसरे ये नहीं है, फ्लाइट्स नहीं है। इधर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने पर कर जाएगा, और लेट हुआ तो उसका क्या पनिशमेंट है, मेरे ऊपर केस दर्ज करे ना, मैं देखूंगा ना कोर्ट में उसको क्या पेनल्टी है तो भरूंगा ना, भाड़ा दूंगा ना या उसका। ऐसा थोड़े होता है। और पुलिस के आगे क्या सोचना है उद्धव जी तय करेंगे, पार्टी तय करेगी, वो हिसाब से बात करूंगा।
धन्यवाद।
Now, my colleague Virendra Gunawat and Pankaj Khelkar are joining us. Both of them have been following this career of Ravindra Gaikwad very, very closely as well, and has been on top of this controversy. Virendra, first coming to you, what's the word coming in from Shiv Sena chief and Shiv Sena camp? When will this MP be taught to respect the law of the land and to set an example of how parliamentarians should behave?
Till yesterday, Devina, the Shiv Sena leader was saying that we don't believe that Ravindra Gaikwad could do that because he is not a person of that caliber, behaving in such a manner. He is such a good person. That was the statement yesterday. Today in the morning, the one of the leaders saying that we have sought some more details about this incident, and we would not like to, Shiv Sena would not like to support such incident, but we are expecting some kind of details from Ravindra Gaikwad, and that's the reason at 10 o'clock he has been summoned to explain the entire incident and explain his behavior, why he has done that. Second important part, he's coming from the interior of Maharashtra. It shows how uncivilized the person is. He doesn't bother. There is a proper schedule of airlines. If one airline come, they have to depart again for the for the another location. There's a proper system following in the aviation industry that he doesn't know. Second, he's saying he's a chiller person. He's a chiller small person because that's how he believes in the human being, because he's a duty officer at a senior level. His responsibility is to clear the airline for the next departure. That's what he's doing a job, and he's working under pressure because for delaying for 1 hour, that you can imagine how pressure was on Sukumar to clear the flight for another 200 people waiting for Goa flight. So definitely he seems that he's not bothered. And one important point, Devina, he said, complain aane do party dekh legi. Does that mean the Shiv Sena is supporting in his behavior? And if the complaint has been registered, 2 complaints has been registered in Delhi, that means the Shiv Sena will look after the legal issues. So I think there's a lot to be answered by Shiv Sena as well.
No, but Virendra, when they say that they can't believe that Ravindra Gaikwad has indulged in such a behavior. How much more proof they need? There's been a video as well. We've got the first reaction from Shiv Sena MP, who continues to say, I don't want to apologize, punish and probe the officer. He's a chiller admi. I'm in fact going on an Air India flight today at 4 p.m. This after there is a dire threat of him being blacklisted as well. He said, I haven't been blacklisted. I haven't been given any sort of a warning as well. This kind of confidence only because there hasn't been any action against him. And this is not the first time. Let's get you this exclusive video once again that India Today has been able to access of how the Shiv Sena MP is a habitual offender. Now, this video will show that how Ravindra Gaikwad is a habitual offender. It's not the first time that he's taken law for granted. This is the video and listen to it very carefully. Here you can hear Ravindra Gaikwad speaking and in fact scolding the DSP of Osmanabad, his own constituency. This is where he is pulling up this DSP. Why? Because his own supporters did not turn up in Zilla Parishad polls.
बापाच्या घरची जागा रे का जरा नाही माझे 2 माणसं आहेत ते माझे हजार अर्ध कशाला लागतो त्याला कोणी सांगितलं नाही का मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं एसपीला सांगितलं आज सकाळी सांगितलं कलेक्टरला सांगितलं आणि तक्रार नाही मिळाली ते पुढे गेले हा क्या म्हणून माणसं म्हणजे काय बी झालंय का 2 नंबर धंदे चालू सगळ्या जिल्ह्यात त्याला पगार द्यायला का तुमचे राणा देतो काय पगार बरोबर नाही ना तुम्ही काल सांगून अजून तेच बोलतो म्हणजे लोकशाही का देशात
Let me go across to my colleague Pankaj Khelkar, who's got the story. So Pankaj, this is yet another video surfacing and it's of March this year itself. Take us through what had happened and if this MP was given any warning by his own party for behaving in such a rogue manner with a public servant here.
Devika, this particular MP, he is scolding DYSP Khandvi, and the reason is that recently concluded presidential this Zilla Parishad election wherein his own son was contesting. His son lost and the reason cited is that 2 of his members went missing. Now the DYSP is asking MP Gaikwad to register a complaint, but instead registering a complaint, a written complaint, he is forcing him that I have told you, I have told the SP and now you have to act. 2 of my members have gone missing and you have to find out, don't give me reasons. That's what he's saying, and this is not it. There are almost 6 to 7 criminal cases against him for last so many years. No action, no strict action has been taken against this MP, and this itself tells that what kind of support Shiv Sena is giving him. No action against their own MP, and the various reasons, if you go by the reasons, by the cases, he has assaulted many a times people on duty. His own staffer, who is a government staffer, he was also assaulted. Now things are coming out with this huge case of Air India coming out. Other cases are also surfacing. It will be interesting to know whether people in his own constituency, whether they garner courage to speak against him. That is the question, because oppositions from Osmanabad and Umargai region have started speaking against him, but the people against whom he had assaulted or he had done something wrong, whether they garner courage, that will be thing to know, and what kind of support Shiv Sena still whether it continues to give him, that will be also interesting.
But also Pankaj, it reflects on the Sena politics. The way Sena MP has behaved reflects the Sena culture as well. And this incident that happened in his own constituency, how have his voters reacted to it? Because it happened this year, and this is a cop who's been pulled up in front of so many of his supporters and scolded literally for no fault of his.
Devika, this MP, he is 2-time elected representatives, 2 times MLA, and now this time he is an MP. So this itself tells that what kind of clout he has, what kind of support he has from this region, why people vote him, that is also a question to be asked. So it itself tells that something is going wrong and people still supporting, whether they truly support him or truly vote for him, that is also one of the questions. It also depends what kind of action Shiv Sena takes. The local police, they aren't having that much of courage to act against him. That's why the DYSP, even after he was scolded publicly, no action has been taken.
Well, it's an important point that you make, Pankaj. It's an important point that you make, Pankaj, that there is no action being taken against this two-time MLA, and now an MP. Goes on to show how he's being emboldened, yes, but also how he is scolding a public officer, a cop, openly. Goes on to show the strong arm tactics that he's used to employing. Let's also see this, another visual that we've been able to access. Now, this is a visual of what happened in Maharashtra Southern. This is a Muslim caterer of Maharashtra Southern. He was force-fed chapati by the Sena MP because he wasn't served his own choice of Maharashtra food. So he went to Maharashtra Southern along with the other MPs. He wasn't given his choice of food. That's when he called and summoned the Muslim caterer in Maharashtra Southern and force-fed this chapati to him at a time when he was fasting for Ramzan. Then as well, no action taken against him. Let me go across to Virendra, my colleague, for more details on this. So Virendra, we've seen 2014 where this incident had happened in Maharashtra Southern. That time as well, Uddhav Thackeray chose to remain silent. Why is it that Uddhav Thackeray is shying away from taking action against this goon neta?
Devin, I think the bottom line is that somewhere there's a strategy of Shiv Sena, because Shiv Sena is a local party that belongs only in the jurisdiction of Maharashtra. But coming at a national level, they need to do something, unusual that makes a headline out of it. Even if in Maharashtra Southern, he hits a small person, on the issue of roti, and now another MP hitting a duty officer just on the issue of that why he was being made him travel from business class to economy class. So I think somewhere down the line, now because everyone knows there's a quite rivalry between the Cold War between Shiv Sena and BJP, Shiv Sena and Modi, because in this incident, because we have an internal committee report since last 24 hours, which clearly says, the airport manager report is exclusively with India Today, that clearly says when he was being told that you are the member of parliament, you have to behave properly accordingly. That is when he really became very upset. Even he himself in the statement to India Today is saying that जब मोदी के बारे में कहा तब मुझे गुस्सा आया. So the point is that there is a clear-cut, the politically, Cold War which is going on between Shiv Sena and BJP, and that is showing, and that is getting the impact on these, the people, who are, handling them. Maybe the duty officer, maybe some other people. But the most important, Devina part is that today at 4 o'clock he has a flight for Delhi Pune. Air India had made it very clear that he would definitely ban Ravindra Gaikwad, not today, because till evening they would come out with a list of all the bad behavior kind of a passenger for the no-flyer list. In the no-flyer list, that would include Ravindra Gaikwad, but that will take some time. So definitely Air India would not stop at 4 o'clock if he is planning to go from Delhi to Pune. So definitely he is in the blacklist, but not today.
Right, Virendra, thanks for joining us. Pankaj, thanks for joining us. We continue tracking this story. India Today getting you the first responses, the first reactions on this goon neta. He's spoken to us this morning and refusing to learn from his mistakes. What should be the action against such goon netas? Talking more about that, taking a short break, coming right back.